Welcome back to Lesson 1, Solving Equations Pictorially. Here we'll be using algebra tiles to help us solve equations. Algebra tiles are useful in situations that involve negatives, as balance scales can only be used if all the terms are positive. So in a previous unit, we learned that all of the shaded tiles represent our positive numbers, and our unshaded tiles represent our negative numbers. Now in A, we have 2x plus 1 equals x plus 5. So since all the terms are positive, all of our tiles will be positive. So I'm going to divide the tiles here, left side and right side. And on the left, I'm going to draw two positive x tiles and one positive unit tile. And on the right, I'm going to draw one positive x tile and 5 positive unit tiles. Now, just as we did with the balance scales, I want to have all of the x tiles on one side and all of the unit tiles on the other. So I'm going to have all my x tiles here on the left since there's more x tiles there. So that means I'm going to get rid of this 1 here. Now I have positive 1 on the right hand side that I can cancel that with. So now I'm left with 2 positive x's on the left and a positive x on the right with 4 positive unit tiles. So now I'm going to get rid of this positive x tile on the right. So if I take one away there, I'm going to take one away here as well. So that means that each positive x tile is equal to 4 positive unit tiles. So now we can say that x is equal to 4. So now to verify that, we'll set up our chart with the left side and the right side and replace x to be 4 on the left and the right and see if they're equal. Now on the left, 2 times 4 is 8. Adding 1 to that, we get 9. On the right, 4 plus 5 is 9. So since 9 is equal to 9, we just verified our solution. For B, we have negative 3x minus 4. So I'm going to have 3 negative x tiles. Leave them unshaded since they're negative. And 4 negative unit tiles. And on the right, I'm going to have 2 positive unit tiles. So now here, I can't take away 4 negatives from each side because I don't have 4 negative tiles on the right to take away. So instead, what I'm going to do is add 4 positive unit tiles. When I do that, I'm going to end up creating some 0 pairs. So here's my 3 negative x's and my 4 negative unit tiles. So now I'm going to add 4 positive unit tiles. To the left, now I also need to add 4 positive unit tiles on the right as well. So now, these tiles here will cancel out. These are 0 pairs. I'll make that note here. So now I'm just left with 3 negative x tiles on the left and 6 positive unit tiles on the right. I'm going to take those 6 tiles and divide them into 3 equal groups. So that means I'm going to have 2 positives in each row. Now we're not quite done because this is negative x is equal to 2. And of course what I want is a positive x. So now I'm going to flip the tiles. So that all these negative tiles will become positive. And I flip these positive tiles on the right, making them all negative now. So now I can say that x is equal to -2. So now to verify that, I'm going to plug in x to be -2 into my equation and see if the left side is equal to 2. Now on the left side, I got -3 times a -2. That's a positive 6. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. So since 2 is equal to 2, we have it verified.